Welcome. If you've ever struggled to see images your friends send you in Discord direct messages on mobile, you're not alone. Luckily, there's a simple setting you can adjust to make sure images from friends show up properly. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable this feature on your mobile device. First, open your Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile to open the settings menu. Next, scroll through the settings options until you find Content and Social. This section controls what kind of content you see and how you interact socially on Discord. Inside Content and Social, look for the option labeled Direct Messages from Friends. Tap on this to see more choices related to your direct messages. Here you'll find a toggle or selection to show images and media sent by your friends. Make sure this is enabled. When you select Show, it allows images sent in your direct messages from friends to appear normally instead of being hidden or blocked. Once you've turned this on, you can go back to your direct messages, and images sent by your friends should now be visible without any extra steps. This setting is especially helpful if you've noticed images not loading or appearing as broken links in your DMS. By enabling Show under direct messages from friends, you ensure a smoother and more enjoyable chatting experience on Discord mobile. Remember, this update reflects Discord's ongoing efforts to improve privacy and content control. So these settings help you balance safety with convenience. So to recap, open Discord on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon to access settings, select Content and Social, tap Direct Messages from Friends. Choose Show to enable images and DMs from friends. And that's it. Now you can enjoy seeing all the images your friends share with you on Discord mobile without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.